We are pleased to show you the 2019 BMW X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.